Uh, there, I have a guest there. He's a he's a renowned scientist there. He's a doctor actually. I can ask some sort of things like that. Sir, would you like to tell me about what trombone is?
Hi, thanks
Yeah,
for asking that. Actually, we are in Calgary, northeast. So
the
this is
place is northeast, right?
like it's divided into four sections, the city of Calgary. So
Yeah.
this side is the northeast side.
Mhm.
So here they made a storm pond.
Yeah.
This is the first section of that. If he can show you,
Yeah.
this is the first section. So from the house is like the rain cam
Mhm.
comes here, like the snowfall,
Yeah.
and from everywhere at the sewerage, the water comes here to
Mhm.
this section.
Yeah.
And from this section,
Mhm.
all the sediments like all the fertilizers, all the dust, every type of sediments that stays here in this section of the pod.
Yeah.
So it goes to the second section. It has like four basic sections.
Yeah.
So we will show you on the way. We will show you
Yeah.
there is another section on
Mhm.
that, and it's a uh, walkway here.
Yeah.
You can see it.
You call them. This is a trail. You can walk around there.
You can walk around.
Yeah. It's cool, eh?
Yes, you can give a walk to your dogs. You
Mhm.
can ride your bikes.
Yeah.
And there they made like uh, some like spot for the hibernation of the birds here,
Oh, it's
and
terrific.
the birds hibernate here at the winter time.
Yeah.
So they made it like it's a safe home for the birds. You can see it
Yeah. So
from
it's
the
like a refuge for the Burmese.
from
So
near, and
yeah.
for the immigrants birds
Mhm.
that immigrates here,
Mhm.
and especially the geese and ducks, they
Yeah.
lay eggs here, they fertilize them,
Mhm.
and when the chicks come and they grows like up to 1 or 2 months, after that they flew away from here. So this is the second part. You can see the second pond
Yeah.
here,
Yeah.
and after that the water goes like the sediments remains here,
Yeah.
and the water goes to the third section. In
Yeah.
the fourth section, you can find very clean water there.
Yeah.
So all of the water goes to the river. There are two big rivers,
Yeah.
the Elbow River and the Bow River.
We have a two river there,
And
Elbow and
city,
Bow River,
and
right?
city of Calgary, like
Yeah, in
there
the
are
city
two
of
main
Calgary
rivers.
there, right?
One of them, the Bow River,
Yeah.
that goes straight to the downtown of Calgary.
Yeah.
So it saves our river water from all the sediments, so you can get very clean water there.
That's mean this is a natural process through which you can purify water is. So even their
Yes,
water, we
yes,
can we
like
drink their
you
water?
can say it a natural process,
Uh-huh.
but they made it like
Yeah, yeah,
this is a man-made process, like all
yeah.
of them they made it, but it has a lot of benefits, like
This is
not only
management. You call them. This is a lot of engineering has been
yes,
involved
yes,
to
yes,
construct such a situation there. So
it's all of it is
uh,
engineering. Like there are a lot of stones there,
yeah, yeah, of course.
stones there, and
Yeah,
in between they
yeah,
put a lot of more stuff to
yeah,
purify the water there.
yeah.
So it helps us a lot.
So
It's
you have
like
mentioned
a
this.
home for birds,
Yeah.
a home for wildlife,
Wow.
and it also purifies water.
Yeah.
And the special thing is like it saves all of the area from flooding.
Yeah.
If any storm comes,
Mhm.
so all of the water, you can see these are really big reservoirs.
Wow, that's
So,
cool.
so all of the water that comes in these reservoirs,
Mhm.
like because they are 4 or 5 here, so
Mhm.
the one is like mostly even the one is enough for all of the water
Yeah.
here. So in every community they made a pond like that. So it's a really good idea, and like we hope we get this type of ponds in our homeland,
Okay,
Pakistan.
so we guess it there.
One day.
I'm not sure
I
about
don't
these
know. I
things.
don't know. We can get that, but
Uh,
we hope so.
can we have such a pond? I mean, in Ontario there, or they're only
Yeah,
confined?
they can. It's a good idea if they
Yeah,
make it in Ontario.
yeah,
But actually, like our origin is Pakistan, so we're thinking about that. For the first 6 months, we get flood there in our country,
yeah,
and after the next 6 months, we don't even find water.
yeah. So you mean you should have to make such a situation in
Such
our
ponds,
country? Yeah,
big
such a pond,
reservoirs.
big reservoir. So not
Yes,
only
yes.
help
So
in
we can save water.
water, let up water.
Yes, we can save our area from flooding,
Yeah,
and
as
from
well as that water
from
gonna be available.
landscaping.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, so
yes.
it's cool there because water is liquid supply up there. So okay, let me glance again there. Mr. Tariq, Dr. Tariq, we shall mention very clear sketch of this storm pond there. It's been divided into different sections there. Each section have a role there. Last but not the least, the fourth one, you will get the water, which should be very clean. And you can also have that solid geese. This is also going to be habitat diversity there. Geese, of course, and yeah, that has been found here. So every community have such a management to be doing there. So unlike other area, Calgary
You
have,
can see the geese, like the geese are coming there.
yeah.
They are the
Uh,
three geese. So
yeah.
they are coming like it's a home for these
Yeah,
birds.
so it's mean this is a home for the breeding is concerned. That's
Yes,
why they have a
they
different.
do their breeding here.
Yeah, and a lot of
But
bird.
they
You
hatch
can
their
watch
eggs
that
there
bird
and
right now.
fertilize them.
Oh yeah.
So even you can see a lot of small birds.
Oh yeah. Thanks a lot. That thanks for
You're
valuable
welcome. Thank
information
you.
there, and
Thank
hope
you.
so.
Thank
The
you very
student of biology will learn from this more and more. This is Alberta, and we have mentioned we have a scientist like he's a. By the way, he's a medical specialist. So I mean, he's a doctor. So, thanks for your attention.
Thank you.